When you give a general power of attorney to a lawyer, that means that lawyer have the full rights to act on behalf of the person who is giving the power of attorney. In front of the court, lawyer have the full rights to go forward for this person. Sometimes they need to do some negotiation with other party, or maybe negotiation with the banks, or negotiation with the receivable against the payment from some companies. For some reason, the lawyer wanted to discuss something with the bank or discuss with RTA for some vehicle cancellation, registration, or if you want to send a car. So if it is not included in power of attorney, it's very difficult. Then you have to amend the power of attorney again, or you have to make a new power of attorney. For that reason, in the beginning itself, we have to include bank and RTA separately. Then there is a special power of attorney. Of course, there are some clients, they don't want to give the full power of attorney to the lawyer. They will give only for special case. The lawyer will act on behalf of that person only for one case, or the lawyer will act only one discussion with the bank. So whatever specified in the power of attorney, only that particular matter can be handled by the lawyer. The one who is giving the power of attorney to the lawyer, they have the rights. Anytime they can cancel it. They can go to the notary and they can make a request of cancellation. The notary will notify to the lawyer, your power of attorney from so-and-so person which is cancelled. And even if you want, you can keep more than one lawyer also. There is no problem if you give the power of attorney to different lawyer. There are many people come and ask, is it possible? I have only one lawyer. Can I give it? Can I give it to you also? Of course, you can give it to more than one lawyer. The special power of attorney, what happens sometimes if you have a loan, especially for the company, corporate level cases, you have a negotiation, the millions, maybe there is a millions, and you are not able to make the payment to the bank. So the lawyer can negotiate with the bank to reduce or settlement side. So that is the reason I'm suggesting to give full power to the lawyer. There is another way, the power of attorney, which can be used for relatives or friends to handle the cases. So that time we have to mention in that power of attorney, again, the lawyer has to be involved. We will give the power for a so-and-so person, for our family members or the close relatives or whatever it is. You can mention that he have the power to appoint a lawyer. So earlier we discussed about RTA, bank and the lawyer. These three category has to be included in the power of attorney. The advantage of power of attorney making the most important benefit is that we know that, we will be having a possibility of the case to come. Because we have some issues, there is a possibility of issues can come because I have a loan and I'm not paying regularly. It can be anything, something which comes very instantly. Something we are expected that today or tomorrow I may face a case. Maybe I have not paid my rent. Maybe I had a company and I closed company, but I have not paid everybody and the checks are there in the market. It can be something. So that situation, always make a power of attorney in advance. If there is no power of attorney and the case come, like you got arrested in the airport or you got arrested somewhere in Emirates, probably the case starts from, we don't know. Maybe you are in Dubai and the case is in Abu Dhabi. So what happened? You are arrested in Dubai, they will transfer you to Abu Dhabi. Or wherever you are getting arrested, from that place, they will transfer to you to where the case registered, Emirates. Okay, I'm talking about the Emirates. Okay, from the Emirates, they will take to the person to the CID office first. From there, they will transfer to the which Emirates case is registered. From there, they will give it to the public prosecution. Then they will transfer to one Emirate to another Emirates. So this situation, to make a power of attorney, is little difficult because we have to notify the notary where is this man or which Emirates, which jail. Then only the notary can access to this person either through the online link, because they have to send the link to the person, right? So to that jail they have to send. So the person, we have to find out the person is in which jail. So this is also difficult, especially if it is a drugs case and all. Very difficult to find out which jail they are. So to avoid such situation, if possible, if somebody feels that today or tomorrow I may fall in a case, make one power of attorney and keep it ready. If something happens, immediately the lawyer can act on behalf of them. If there is a power of attorney for the relatives, of course, they also good to close the tenancy contract or any telecommunication connections, and to close the vehicle, maybe to sell out the vehicle, or banks can settle the loans or whatever it is. So either they can make a power of attorney to one of their very close person to whom they trust, especially before going from the country. If they plan something to leave the country, but future in later on maybe some case can come. So this situation also, either you can, if you have a trust any lawyer, make a power of attorney to lawyer, or make a power of attorney to one of your close person. If you make it to lawyer can act on cases. But if you make it a power of attorney to one of your close relative or friends, they have to appoint to lawyer a new power of attorney. There is a way, like even they are out of country from UAE, we can make a power of attorney by sending link where they are. Only the thing that we have to be very careful that when we are sending link, the Wi-Fi should be good, and when the notary people talk, they should be very clear to understand. They will send you the link and they will ask you, are you the so-and-so person? Show me your passport copy or show me the Emirates ID. Once they confirm the person, they will say that this power of attorney is made for so-and-so person. You understood everything. And especially now, the person who is making power of attorney, they should have iPass in their mobile, okay, for the confirmation. So that is the very hardly 1 month back this new rule come. Every person should have an iPass to make a power of attorney. If it is not, then we have some solution that we will be explained to the person who is having such issues. They can come to our office and definitely we will solve these problems also.